Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss one of the basic program of 8085 microprocessor, that is addition of two 8-bit numbers. So here I will write down the program in a more generalized way so that it can be used for addition of any two numbers. So here suppose the data stored at the memory locations are 49H at location 2051H, and in the next memory location, that is 2052H, the data 56H is stored. Now I want to store the sum in the next memory location, that is 2053H, and the carry will be stored at the location 2054H. So these are the data given and these are the result that I want at a specified memory location. Now as I want to store the carry, so in program I would need one register, suppose register C, to store the carry value. Okay, so now let's start writing down the program. So first I need to initialize the register C. So I will initialize the value 00 to register C. In case there is a carry generated, then I can increment this value. Now the data at location 2051H will be loaded to the accumulator. But before that, I want that location to be stored at register pair H. So for that I am using LXI H 2051H. That means after this my HL pair will contain 2051. Next, what do we want to do? I want to transfer the data at location 2051 to the accumulator. So I can simply write down MOV A, M. So after the M, here M means the address stored at HL pair. So here the content of the address M specified by HL pair will be loaded to the accumulator. So here the accumulator will contain the data at 2051. So at 2051 the data 49H has been stored. So here it will be 49H. Next, what do we want? So I want to add the next number with the accumulator's content. So for that I need to go to the next location. So for that I can write down one command, that is INX H. That means here HL pair will contain, it will be incremented and it will contain 2052. Now for addition of the data at 2052 with the accumulator's content, what I can write? So I can simply write add M. So what it will do? It will perform the addition of accumulator's content with the content of location specified by HL pair. Now after addition, the sum result will be stored in the accumulator, and if there is a carry, then carry flag will be modified. So here accessing the carry flag will be a bit complicated. Let us write down the program in a simplistic way. So here I will check the carry flag, and if the carry flag is set, then I will increment the register C value. So here I have considered register C to store the carry. So here I will check if there is a carry or not. So if there is no carry, then I will jump to location 1. So here step 1 is the location or the label. So in step 1 what I will do? So I will simply store the sum value at the desired location. So if there is no carry, so simply the addition result which is there in the accumulator will be stored in the memory location 2053H. Okay, so after this the sum will be stored at 2053H. Now if there is a carry, then what will happen? We will simply increment the register value. So for that I can write INRC, and then I can store the value, this value at the desired memory location. So for that what I need to do? First I need to move the content of C to register A. So for that I can write down move A, C. So whenever we want to store certain value at a memory location, then we will need the help of accumulator, and we will be using the command STA. For that reason I have moved the content of register C to the accumulator. Now I can store this content of the accumulator at the next memory location, that is 2054H. So now I can say the carry is stored at 2054H. And after this we have accomplished our goal, and after that we have to write halt, that is HLT, and it means that we have reached to the end of this program. So this is the complete program.